twongeye kubasuhuza inshuti bavandimwe aho muherereye hose mukaba mukurikirana iki kigishwa cyangwa se iki kiganiro kuri youtubechannel Hamwe na Cecile. Nongeye gushimira buri wese ukurikira iki kiganiro kandi nkanshimira abakoze aho hantu hatukura handitse subscribe bakabasha gukurikirana iyi channel yacu. Ni by'agaciro gakomeye. Miscellaneous phrases. English and Kinyarwanda. Hamwe na Cecile. Are you happy? Urishimye? God bless you. Imana iguhe umugisha. God bless you. Imana iguhe umugisha. God bless you. Imana iguhe umugisha. Are you unhappy? Ntabwo wishimye? Are you unhappy? Ntabwo wishimye? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Isabukuru nziza y'amavuko. Wedding anniversary. Isabukuru yo gushyingirwa. Happy wedding day. Happy wedding day. Umunsi mwiza wo gushyingirwa. How much time will you spend in Africa? How much time will you spend in Africa? Uzamara igihe kingana gute muri Afrika? I am happy. Ndishimiye. I am tired. Ndananiwe. I spent the night. I spent the night. Naraye. It is cold. Harakonje. It is hot. Harashyushye. It is a nice place. Ni Ahantu heza. There is no power in this area. Ntamuriro dufite kano gace. Ntamuriro dufite muri kano gace. It is difficult to understand. Kirakomeye kugisobanukirwa. This is easy. Iki kiroroshye. What is next? Niki gikurikira? What